Hello all, welcome you all. Today we are going to see about banana AI. So here I am going to show what this banana AI can do in a short glimpse, like how it is efficient compared to other image AI processors. So you can see here. So this is a first original image. It is Chris Evans with some other actors. So second one is I added coolers for Chris Evans, and the third image I changed the actor with the Chris Evans with the Ryan Gosling, and the fourth image I zoomed out from the original image, and fifth image I have changed the facial expressions, and the sixth image I have changed the outfit. So by using this tool you can do any kind of works in the image processing. First open the browser and type Google AI and go with the Google AI Studio. So we can have a Google AI Studio. So you have to log in for before start. So I have logged in, and then you have to press try Nano Banana. So all may wonder like what is Nano Banana. It is a Google just dropped something absolutely massive in the world of AI. They have released their most advanced image generator yet. It's called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, but everyone is calling it as Banana AI. And I have got my hands on the complete official guide that Google just released. In the next 11 minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this game changing AI, how it works, what makes it completely different from MidJourney, DALL-E, and most importantly, I'm going to show you the exact prompts and techniques that will get you the incredible results every single time. This is the official guide, and by end of this video you will know how to use banana AI better than 99% of the people out there. Let's dive in. First we'll start with the photorealistic scenes. So let's start with the photo realistic images, and this is where most people get it completely wrong. The most secret to getting the incredible photorealistic results with banana AI is thinking like a professional photographer would think. You can't just say make me a picture of an old man. You have to specify the shot type, the subject, the action, the lighting setup, the mood, and the camera detail and texture you want to create. Here is the exact template that Google recommends, and I want you guys to screenshot this and you can use it for your own requirements. I'm providing a prompt at a photorealistic close-up portrait of an elderly artisan craftsman, carefully examining his handmade ceramic work in a traditional workshop filled with pottery tools. The scene is illuminated by warm golden hour sunlight streaming through large windows, creating a serene and contemplative mode, captured with the 85 portrait lens at aperture a1.8, emphasizing the weather, the texture of her hands, and the classy glaze of the pottery. Yes, we got the result. I'll open it. Yeah, look at this result. This is absolutely incredible. You can see every single detail, the texture of his whether the skin, the way the light catches the glaze on the pottery, even the perfect bokeh blur in the background. The lighting is exactly what we specified, that warm and golden heart feel. This is just a perfect. Now here is why the detail matters so much. If I had just typed the old man with a pottery, I would have gotten something generic and boring. But because we specify the exact lighting, camera lens, and more, Banana AI understood exactly the aesthetic we are looking for. The difference between a detailed prompt and basic prompt is literally the difference between amateur and professional quality. This looks like it was shot by a National Geographic photographer. Next up is styled illustrations and stickers, and this is honestly where Banana AI absolutely destroys its competition. Other AI image generators struggle with consistent artistic styles, but watch what happens here. I'm going to create a kawaii style sticker, and the key is being incredibly specific about the art style. Here is what I'm typing. Also, I'm attaching my prompt here. You can take screenshot and refer it for your own usage. A kawaii style sticker of a happy red panda wearing a tiny bamboo hat, munching on a bamboo leaf. Bold outlines, vibrant colors, cell shading, background must be white. And boom, look at this. This is absolutely perfect. Clean, bold outlines, a consistent kawaii art style, those vibrant colors we asked for, and that pure white background that makes it perfect for printing. This is literally ready for commercial use right now. You could put this on t-shirt, phone cases, stickers, social media posts, anything. I have tried creating kawaii style art with MidJourney and DALL-E, and they just don't get the consistency right like this. The secret sauce here is being explicit about every aspect of the art style, and don't do these mistakes. Don't just say cute, say the kawaii style. Don't just say colorful, specify vibrant colors, cell shading. Don't just say simple background. Say its specific background must be white. In every details matters here. The next session is text rendering mastery. Now we are getting the feature that honestly blew my mind with accurate text rendering. If you have ever tried to create logos or text based graphics with other AI tools, you know the struggle. The text comes out garbled or misspelled or just weird looking, but Banana AI handles text like a professional graphic designer. Let me show you by creating an actual business logo. So I'm typing. Also, you can keep an eye on the prompt I'm giving here. You can make a screenshot and use it for your own purpose. Create a modern minimalistic logo for premium organic juice bar called Fresh Element. The text should be in a clean, contemporary, sans serif font with subtle round edges. Design features a simple geometric leaf icon integrated above the text. Color scheme is forest green text on a crisp white background. Professional, clean, and suitable for business cards and storefront signage. Here we got a result. This is absolutely incredible. Look at the text rendering. The daily grind is spelled perfectly. The spacing is professional, and the font is exactly what we are asking for. And the coffee bean integration is clean and sophisticated. I want you to look at this closely. Every single letter is crisp, properly spaced, and readable. No weird AI artifacts, no misspellings, no distorted characters. This looks like it was designed by a professional graphics designer who charges $200 for a logo work. So the next topic is professional product mockups. If you are in e-commerce, product design, or marketing, this new capability is going to save you thousands of dollars. Professional product photography without the expensive studio, lighting equipment, or photographic fees. I'm going to create a e-commerce quality product shot with this prompt. You can make note of this prompt and you can use it for your purpose. And I'm start typing. A high resolution studio lit product photograph of a sleek titanium wireless earbud case in a brushed silver finish, positioned at an elegant 45-degree angle on a polished black marble surface with subtle natural veining. The lighting setup uses three professional softbox, creating even illumination with dramatic rim lighting along with edges. Shot with macro lens of 5.6 for sharp detail throughout with a subtle gradient backdrop transitioning from charcoal to deep black. Ultra realistic rendering showing fingerprint resistant coating and premium build quality. And the loading will take some time. Here we got the result. Look at this result. This is like it was shot in a professional photography studio. Check out the 3-point lighting setup. You can see how it eliminates harsh shadows while creating depth. The reflection on the polished concrete surface are absolutely perfect. And look at this detail, the steam rising from coffee, the matte texture of ceramic, the way the light catches the rim. of the mug. Even the depth of field is exactly what you would expect from a professional photographer using an expensive camera. You could use this image on Amazon product listings, website headers, social media advertising, print catalogs, anywhere you need professional product imagery. This would typically cost you around 300 to 500 US dollars from a commercial photographer, but Banana AI created it in just 30 seconds. The next section is image editing capabilities of this Banana AI. But here is where Banana AI becomes absolutely revolutionary. It is not just about creating new images from scratch. It can edit your existing images with surgical precision, and I mean that literally. Look at this example from Google's guide. They took a regular photo of someone's cat and asked Banana AI to add a small wizard cat. The result is seamless. The lighting on the hat matches the original photo perfectly. The shadows are correct and it looks completely natural, like the cat was actually wearing the hat when the photo was taken. And now look at this next example. uh, I wanted to change the just a sofa color from blue to brown, so I pasted the sofa from internet, blue color. So I'll type I just want to change the sofa color from blue to brown leather while keeping everything else in the room identical. Now look at the result. The sofa is now brown leather, and I want to compare both the sofas. The sofa is now brown leather, but the pillows, the lighting, the wall color, even the shadows, everything else is preserved exactly the same.
Over facts, over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
The level of control you get is incredible here. You can say things like change only the wall color to sage color green, or some small point in the corner, or make the lighting warmer, and it understand exactly what you want to while preserving everything else. This kind of precise editing control is what separates Banana AI from other AI generators. It's not just creating, it's understanding and manipulating images like professional photo editor. Now we have come to end of this video. The final topic is advanced composition. The most advanced feature and honestly the most impressive is Banana AI's ability to combine multiple images into completely new compositions. This is perfect for fashion brands, product mockups, or any kind of creative projects. In this example from the guide, they took a blue floral dress from one photograph and a model from a completely different photograph. Then they asked Banana AI to recreate the professional fashion photo showing the model wearing that specific dress in a bright outdoor environment. Let's get to see how can we do this example. So I'll search and find a model that is Anna de Armas here and a cute blue gown here. And they'll ask Banana AI to create a professional fashion photo showing the model wearing that specific dress in a bright and outdoor environment with a prompt. And here we got a result. Look at this result. The dress fits the model perfectly. The lighting is consistent and natural. The pose looks professional, and the outdoor setting complements both elements beautifully. This looks like it was shot for a high end fashion catalog. Think about the applications here. The fashion brands could prototype new designs without expensive photo shoots. Furniture companies could show products in different room settings, or marketers could create custom scenes that don't exist in real life. The creative possibilities are literally endless here. Before we wrap up, I need to share the essential best practices that will make the difference between average results and absolutely incredible results. These come straight from Google's official guide. Number one, be hyper specific with every detail. The more specific you are, the more control you have over the final results. Number two, use professional photographic language terms like a FAMM portrait lens, 3-point lighting setup, shallow depth of field. Banana AI understands photography terminology incredibly well. Number three, don't expect perfection on the first try itself. Use the conversational nature of the tool to reiterate and improve the best result. It's designed for back and forth refinement. And finally, use positive descriptions instead of negative ones. Instead of saying no cars in the street, say empty residential street with no traffic. Instead of don't make it dark, say bright. So these four tips alone will put you ahead of 90% of people using AI image generators. Screenshot them, save them, use them every time. And that's it for the complete and comprehensive guide for Google's Banana AI. Gemini 2.5 flash image, from photorealistic portraits that looks like professional photography to commercial quality product shots to precise image editing and advanced multi-image compositions. So the best part is it's completely free right now through Google's Gemini interface. I'll put a direct link in the description below so you can start experimenting it immediately. Make sure you are subscribed because I'm covering all the latest AI tools and techniques as they released. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.